Hello everyone, welcome to BPO interview tutorials. And guys, today we are going to see an important topic which basically helps in our Excel dashboards, and we can also get a clear information here for our reports and everything. So guys, the main reason to pick these two topics here is so that it will be easy for us to design the dashboards. So today's topics are how to identify duplicates in Excel sheets and how to use filter in Excel sheets. So guys, two topics we are going to see, and before moving to the video guys, please do share, subscribe the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you guys will get the notification on the upcoming videos. I hope you guys are liking the videos, and also do share your feedbacks and comments like on which topics you require the next videos. Thank you so much guys. Let's start today's concept. So guys, I have a list of employees here wherein they have handled certain cases. These are the call IDs they have handled, and the audits were done by the quality team, and wherein they have done the validation that either the call is valid or invalid. You can also consider these as a short calls, that either these short calls are valid or invalid. But this data went through the managers, and they have seen there are certain duplicates which are identified in this Excel sheet. I hope you know, like, duplicates are not allowed. If a person like John handled one particular case, if John is handling same case on same day, same date and same timing, that will be considered as a duplicates. You may get a chances wherein John handled this particular case and the same call got to the another employee, Veronica. There will be a situation. For that instant, we will not consider that as a duplicate. And second, John handled this particular case, the same case John handled after 3 days as well, then it is not a duplicate. Maybe John got the same call, or else customer did the same call using the same case ID. So there will be a chances, but only and only when we are removing these duplicates, if that person handled this particular case at around 10th of January 3:30 p.m. and we are seeing that the same case ID added one more time with the same dates and timings, which means yes, the duplicates are there. So how we can identify there? So guys, before removing the duplicates, make sure you will cross check all the certain things, like either those are handled by the same person, same timing and same date, either those are handled by the different person or what. So you guys need to cross check that. Now there are certain duplicates. These case IDs are very complicated to understand. If I want to see duplicates of this first, it's very tough for me to search from the entire rows. So what I'll do, I'll just click on the entire row, B row, for which I just want the duplicates. I'll go to the home. I have an option, conditional formatting. I have the second option, which is highlight the cell rules. You can see there is a last option which is duplicates the value. He is asking like duplicates, yes. Now if the values are duplicates, highlight with it red. Yes, I want to highlight with it red text. Okay, we do have another option here. You can select yellow also. It's up to you, but I suggest just select the first one, which is very easy to identify the things. Now you guys can see these blue colors are duplicates. Now here you can see how many values they have highlighted as a red, like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 values, 12 cases they have highlighted as a duplicates, which means 6 are valid and 6 are duplicates. Don't consider entire 12 are duplicates here. 6 are valid, 6 are duplicates. Now I need to cross check that either these 6 are handled by the same person with respect to the other IDs. For that I will use filter here. So guys, what I'll do, how to use the filter. So select the entire columns, whatever columns you have, select it all and keep this filter for the entire rows. Okay, now I have selected. I'll go to home, and here I have an option sort and filter. We do have a shortcuts. You guys can use shortcuts as well. In the Excel, you no need to memorize the shortcut guys. It's very easy. Always press Alt and leave it. You will find some alphabets will get highlighted. Now where is this filter option? It's in the home, which means H. I'll click on H. Then where is the short column? It's on S. I'll click on S. Now, and where is the filter? I'll click on F. Now in this way we can use the formula. Again I'll tell you guys, it's very easy. Now I will just select all the row, Alt, H, F and S. Now see guys, sorry guys. Okay, I'll select this again. Alt H S and F. Now this is the shortcut. Now people are saying that how to memorize a shortcut, guys. It's nowhere required to memorize the things. Always press Alt. All the shortcuts will get highlighted. Okay, now the filter I have already applied here. Now what I'll do, I just click on this drop down. Now filter by color, and I'll select this pink. Now you guys can see here I'll get this 12 IDs, but I need to remove the 6. I'll select the first C, first column. So you can see, like, I selected Control F, which basically used to search, and paste it here, Control V. You can see the same ID, it's given as John, and the same ID handled by John. Yes, you can see the same ID handled by John. So what I'll do, I'll just remove the one case from here. Okay, so before that I'll just these are just the examples. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just remove the John here because it's a duplicate for me. I'll just select the row 5, right click, delete the row. Done, it got deleted. Now see, still it's showing the duplicates. Let's check where it is. Yes, we do have one more John with the same case ID. Okay, now again, and delete the row. In the same way, I will validate all the things, and I will remove. See, I do have a 3, 4, 5. How many times it appeared? It appeared 2 times with the same name, Veronica. I will remove this line. Okay, so if you have a bulk of data, then yes, it will take some time, but you can easily do it, guys. It's not a big issue. Same I will remove for the Johnny. Yes, it's again same. If you select the row 9, press Control minus, automatically the row will get deleted. Control minus. Same Johnny here. Yes, done. We do have a same name here. Yes, minus, and one more. So guys, you have seen there are 12 shipment IDs. There are 12 cases in which total 8 are the duplicates. Rest all are perfect. Now I will remove this filter. Again I will select all. Go to Home, Filter. Yes, if you again select on filter, yes, automatically the filter will get removed. Now you guys again check the duplicates. Highlight duplicates value. See, I do not have any duplicates. If I want to remove these duplicates, select this row, automatically select till here. You will get this option here, and you can click on clear. This duplicacy formula will get removed, or else we do also have option conditional formatting, clear rules, clear the selected cell. Guys, in this way you can remove this duplicates formula also if you want to remove it. Maybe by mistakenly you have added this here on valid and invalid, which is nowhere required. See, it's showing. Now I want to remove it. How I'll do, I'll just select this here, and I'll click on this icon and clear. This formula will get removed. I hope you guys have understand how to use filter, how to remove filter, what is the shortcuts for the filter, how to identify duplicates, how to remove duplicates, and how to remove this duplicates formula from the particular row or column. You guys can do that. It's very easy, guys. The main reason to go with this particular topic, and you may find multiple videos as well, but you don't find that clear understanding which I'm going to explain you here. And guys, please do watch my all the videos on Excels and all. Soon we are going with the dashboards, guys. So if you want to understand the dashboard, guys, make sure you have seen all my relevant videos, because that will really help you in preparing the dashboards. Okay guys, that's all from my side. I hope this shortcuts wala function also got cleared for you. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys are doing really well, and please share, subscribe, share your comments. Guys, please help me with more viewers. Share these videos on social media groups. And if you require any help on any of the topic, please message me on Facebook. We do have a Facebook page, we do have an Instagram page. Please do like, share, subscribe. We do have a LinkedIn page, guys. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.